Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we'd like to welcome aboard this flight 5J 368 bound for Macau and 9 Cotonou Monument as part of our flight to Fun Game. We'll be conducting a short game for this flight. As for our prizes, we have this Blue Pacific utility pouch with a beach towel inside. We'll be needing 3 guests. If you want to bring home a souvenir from us, why don't you join us, sir? Hi ma'am, mali po kayo dito. Tatlo na sila. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. Our game for this flight is the Sing Me a Christmas Carol game, where they're going to sing for us a few lines of their favorite Christmas song. That's all you have to do, ma'am. Okay? Hi, ma'am. Iha, dito tayo. Pangalan po nila? Jing. Jane. Tagasan si Jane?
Nagpalisas po.
At malapit, di ba? NLEX na lang, nasa diretso. Mas malapit. Kung pupunta kayo ng Pasay, mas mabilis pa sa NLEX, di ba? Tama. Okay? So ano kakainin mo, Jane, for us? Sana ngayong Pasko, that's a nice song. Would you like to greet someone in Novaliches? We're live right now by satellite. DFC, lahat ng channel na mapanood tayo. Live tayo ngayon sa Animal Planet. There's a Cartoon Network. Okay, Jane, ano may gusto mo batiin sa Novaliches?
Sila lang.
Sino lang? Sino pa yung mga kasama mo ngayon?
Mami ko po at kayo na kapatid. Kayo lang po.
Ayan. Nasa po sila? Ayaw magtaas ng kamay kasi nahihiya kakanta ka raw sa harapan. Okay, sana yung ngayong Pasko. Kuhin ka ba na si Jane?
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo rin ako. Hinahanap ka na. Pinakaba mo ba hindi? At kahit wala ka na, mawangarap at tumaasa pa rin ako. Tuloy makita ka.
Congratulations, Jane. Thank you. That's been a fun game first flight, and we hope you enjoyed it. And we sincerely apologize for slight delay of this flight. This is due to 1 week congestion in Hong Kong. Galing po kami Hong Kong kanina at medyo traffic lang po yung runway. Kaya medyo na-delay po yung flight natin. Jane, you know the seat back your life? Make your personal belongings be hung.
Ay, napakasarap. Parang wala lang. Parang nagpunta lang ako ng Quiapo. Hindi umandar?
Wala pa rin.
Hindi umandar? Hindi? Saan ba yung aeroplano yan Hindi umandar Ay, mga best friend. Bababa na ako ng aeroplano. Baka akala niyo. Abot na namin ang mga pangarap.
Malamig!
Hello. Pasok lang